Dayang Parking Co. Limited, established in 2001, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of vertical horizontal parking system, vertical lifting parking system, easy parking car lift, and plane moving parking system. We are located in Weifang City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including robotic welding machines, CNC flame cutting machine, CNC shears, CNC bending machine. In addition, we have obtained Certificate of Compliance, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 18001 certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Southeast Asia, South Asia, Middle East, North America, and South America. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Dayang is always advancing with obligation of all parking solutions to a world parking problem. Dayang Parking. Welcome all friends and partners from the world for a bright future.
Dayang Parking was established in 2001, which has been specialized in China mechanical parking industry for 20 years, with 506 patents and 953 million brand value. Dayang Parking was established in 2001. The first project was built in 2002. In 2008, we have been authorized with CE certification. In 2013, Dayang registered 2 branches in Caoxian and Hanzhong. In 2021, Dayang Parking was awarded with Chinese Manufacturing Champion Enterprise.